guys, today we're going to be making a DIY lava lamp. I hope you guys enjoy this project as much as I did.
The items you need today are a water bottle, funnel, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer, water, and vegetable oil. To begin making our lava lamps, we're going to start out using half a cup of water. If you're using a larger water bottle, you can use 1 cup of water. And then we're going to fill the bottle 3/4 of the way from the top with vegetable oil. And remember to leave plenty of room for the water and air to escape. You don't want the lava boiling everywhere. We're also going to be using a funnel to pour our water and our vegetable oil so that way it doesn't get all over the countertop. After we poured in our water and our vegetable oil, we're going to add in 10 drops of food coloring. I did 1 bottle red and the other bottle blue. Here comes the fun part of our lava lamp. We're going to break our Alka-Seltzer into 4 pieces and we're going to drop them into our water bottles. Look what happens when we drop in our Alka-Seltzer. The gas from the Alka-Seltzer rises to the top, forming little bubbles that are filled with the food coloring from our water, making a lava lamp. Isn't that pretty cool? Wow, look at all that. So try this at home with a flashlight and see what it looks like.